Not long ago, I lost my husband to a disease that we knew very little about. Oral cancer. I wish we had known more. Most Americans have heard little about this disease, yet it kills more people every year than cancers we hear about frequently. One person every hour of every day will die from oral cancer in the U.S. alone. In its early stages, this disease frequently doesn't reveal itself with symptoms that are painful or obvious, and that's where oral cancer's true danger lies. Undetected, it will have time to develop into an advanced stage killer. Early detection of oral cancer is possible. I wish we had known this when Bruce developed what we considered a simple chronic hoarseness. A quick, painless screening will take less than 5 minutes of your time. Believe me, you never want to say, "I wish we had." Ask your dentist for a screening today.